This is how to activate and deactivate the electronic program lock, or the child lock as it's commonly known. Right, so what we'll demonstrate is we'll turn the machine on, we'll select a cycle, and the cycle, press start. Right, now while this machine is in use, everything can be pretty much changed, especially within the first 4 minutes of any cycle. So stuff like, circuit pre-wash aren't available, but intensive, water plus can be selected, and spin speed can be changed. There we are. Right, so it's now in wash cycle mode. Even the finish can be selected, which will cancel the cycle. And even the door can be open. There we are. Right. Basically, if you want to prevent all that happening, and you don't want little people, or just basically people accidentally selecting options or accidentally opening the door, you can prevent this by hitting the start button and holding it till this locked light comes up here in red. It says locked. Now, intensive, water plus, the spin can't be operated, and if I select finish, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't stop the cycle, it doesn't advance it. If I try to open the door, no, nothing. Can't be opened this time. And basically, the wash cycle will now progress to the end without any interference. Right. What it changes is, if this is selected and the machine finishes whilst the dial is in the finish position, the lock can't be taken off when it's in the finish position. So if it has finished and you want to unlock the control panel and unlock the door, you'll have to turn the program dial back to the program that it was originally on. I know this is a long-winded video to demonstrate, but this is a very good function. To deactivate the child lock or the electronic program lock on your machine, I demonstrate now, the starts will not unlock it. No. Right. Turn it back to the program it was on. Press and hold start. The locked icon has now gone out on the display. And therefore the program selector can actually advance the program now. So we'll let it drain out. And in fact, the door can also be opened now. So therefore, the electronic program lock is now deactivated. And you should be able to have full use of your washing machine again. So there you are. I hope this has helped. If you've had a Miele washing machine that's stuck and you can't operate it, I hope this has helped. I also hope this has helped to give you a new feature that you may have not known on your Miele washing machine. So, thanks for watching.